Hi everyone. Today we're making a fun and easy Christmas treat. No-bake chocolate snowballs and a perfect winter drink to warm you up. Peppermint hot chocolate. Let's get started. First, you need these simple ingredients: crushed biscuits, desiccated coconut, cocoa powder, and sweetened condensed milk. Don't forget, you can also use sprinkles or glitter for decoration if you like. Tools: a Ziploc bag and rolling pin, or food processor, a large mixing bowl, a wooden spoon or spatula for mixing, a baking tray, baking paper. Step 1. Crush your biscuits. You can put them in a bag and use a rolling pin, or you can crush them in a food processor. Next, mix your crushed biscuits, 1 cup of coconut, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder in a large bowl. It already smells amazing. Now pour in your sweetened condensed milk. This will bring everything together into a sticky dough. Use a spoon or your hands to mix it well. Once your dough is ready, take a small amount and roll it into a ball about the size of a walnut. To make them look snowy, roll each ball in extra desiccated coconut. Aren't they adorable? Place your snowballs on a tray with baking paper and put them in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to firm up. Here are your finished Christmas no-bake chocolate snowballs. Perfect for sharing with family and friends. Happy holidays! Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: milk, dark chocolate, cocoa powder, sugar, and peppermint extract. For topping, whipped cream and crushed candy canes. Equipment: a medium-sized saucepan, a whisk, a ladle, measuring spoons, a mug for serving. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Pour 2 cups of milk into a saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat and stir occasionally with a whisk to warm it evenly. Be careful not to let it boil. Next, add 100 grams of chopped dark chocolate. Use your whisk to gently stir until it's fully melted and the milk turns beautifully chocolatey. Now, let's whisk in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and sugar. The whisk will help dissolve everything and make it silky smooth. Here's the festive twist. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. You can use a measuring spoon to get just the right amount. Stir it in for that holiday magic. Now it's time to serve. Use a ladle to pour the hot chocolate into your favourite mug. Add whipped cream on top for extra creaminess. And sprinkle crushed candy canes or chocolate shavings for decoration. And there you have it, peppermint hot chocolate. Creamy, minty, and perfect to enjoy with our no-bake chocolate snowballs. Doesn't this look irresistible? Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this cozy recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time with more delicious ideas.